Good day, I am Alexander Ventoso and I'm going to discuss three topics which are the following. First, economic decision-making techniques. Second, cost concept and estimation. The third one is time value of money. What is economic decision-making techniques? It is process of evaluating, comparing alternative based on economic criteria. Help engineers choose the most cost-effective and efficient option. And these are common decision-making techniques: payback period, net present value, internal rate of return, benefit-cost ratio. Payback period is the time needed to recover initial investment, while net present value of cash flows minus outflows. And the other one, internal rate of return, interest rate that makes NPV equals to zero. The last one is benefit-cost ratio, ratio of total benefits to total cost. Example of decision-making techniques is payback period. A small manufacturing company is considering buying a new automotive cutting machine to improve production efficiency. The machine will reduce labor costs and material waste, saving the company money every year. So the formula of payback period is payback period equals project cost over annual savings. So the project cost is 50,000 and the annual savings is 10,000. So 50,000 divided by 10,000 is equal to 5. So it means the project will recover its cost in 5 years. The next is cost concept and estimation. Cost estimation is the process of predicting the amount of money required to complete a project. Understanding different cost type helps engineers to accurate budget and sound financial decisions. For example, you plan to open a small cafe. You want to estimate the startup and operating costs to decide if the business is financially viable. So your fixed cost will be 20,000 for rental space and 15 pesos for cup and coffee and other things needed, and 12,000 for the barista salary, which is your indirect costs, 10,000 spent for market and 8,000 for opportunity costs. Therefore, by classifying and estimating this cost, you can create a realistic budget, set coffee prices, and determine how many cups must be sold to break even and earn. The last is time value of money, or TMV. The time value of money is a financial concept that states a sum of money is worth more now than the same amount of the future due to potential earning capacity. This principle assumes that money can earn interest. So receiving money today gives you more value than receiving it later. This is why, when making financial decisions like investing, saving, or borrowing, engineers, business people, and planners must compare money values at different times. Because 1 peso today is worth more than 1 peso tomorrow because of its potential to earn interest or profit over time. These are KTVM formulas, which PV is present value, FV is future value, and I is interest rate period, and N is number of periods. For example, you invest 10,000 today in an account that earns 8% interest annually. What will be the value of your investment after 5 years? So using the formula FV or future value, 10,000 times 1 plus 0.08 to the power of 5, which 10,000 times 1.4693 is equals to 14,693. Therefore, the investment will grow to 14,693 after 5 years at annual interest rate of 8%. That's all. Thank you for listening and I hope you learned something from the topic.